We are doing wheel brakes on this Toyota Tundra 1794 edition. It is a 2024. I'm gonna show you how to put it in service mode before actually replace the wheel pads. So what you need to do is make sure your parking brake is off inside the vehicle. Once you turn the parking brake off in the vehicle, you go outside. You need to remove the parking brake motor itself by two 5mm bolt Allen socket. We're gonna remove them. Now we need to wiggle the parking brake motor itself until it comes out. It's just tight, but it will come out. There it is. Set it on the side like this. Then we're gonna take a T50 torque socket and we're gonna turn it clockwise, and it's gonna stop eventually. It stops. Now take a screwdriver and compress the caliper. Right. There it is. It is all the way in, as you guys can see. Now let's put our caliper parking brake motor back on. All you do is this thing. You're gonna wiggle it until it is fully seated. There you go. Do the same thing back here. We're back inside the vehicle now. What we do to, first of all, before you take it out of service mode, you need to pump the brake pedal, because we just replaced the brake padding holders and we compress the caliper. And you turn the key on, right? And you push the brake pedal and pull on the parking brake button. You're gonna hear the caliper turning back there. I can hear it spinning. And you'll see your parking light turns on. And that's how we do it, guys. Alright? Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.